The journey from Sundar Nagar in Mandi district to Manikaran in Parvati Valley is one of those unforgettable Himalayan experiences that blends spirituality, adventure, and natural beauty into a single trip. Starting from Sundar Nagar, nestled along the banks of the Beas River, the road winds through lush pine forests and terraced fields, offering glimpses of village life. As you move towards Kullu, the scenery transforms into a canvas of apple orchards, towering deodars, and the playful bees flowing alongside the highway. The drive itself feels like a meditation, with every turn revealing a new perspective of Himachal's serene landscapes. Crossing Bhuntar, the gateway to Parvati Valley, the road narrows and climbs steadily, leading you deeper into the mystical charm of the valley. The air grows cooler, and the sound of the Parvati river accompanies you like a constant hymn. Small hamlets like Kasol and Chalal appear along the way, buzzing with trekkers, cafes, and vibrant cultures. Kasol, often called Mini Israel, is a perfect stopover for a steaming cup of coffee or a plate of hot momos, while the surrounding trails invite you to explore hidden waterfalls and forest paths. The valley here feels alive, with a mix of youthful energy and timeless tranquility. Finally, reaching Manikaran, you are greeted by the sight of the Grand Gurudwara and temple complex perched beside the roaring river. The place is famous for its hot springs, believed to have healing properties, and the unique experience of cooking food in the boiling waters is something every visitor cherishes. Pilgrims and travelers alike find solace in the langar served at the Gurudwara, where warmth and hospitality flow as abundantly as the sacred waters. The spiritual aura of Manikaran, combined with the dramatic Himalayan backdrop, leaves you humbled and rejuvenated. This trip, spanning around 150 kilometers, is not just a journey through mountains but a passage through culture, devotion, and nature's grandeur. The charm of Manikaran in Parvati Valley lies in its rare blend of spirituality and natural wonder, where the Ram Mandir and the Gurudwara Sri Manikaran Sahib stand side by side, symbolizing harmony between Hindu and Sikh traditions. The Gurudwara is renowned for its hot springs, where food for the langar is cooked, and pilgrims bathe in waters believed to have healing properties. Together, these two shrines create a unique spiritual atmosphere, where the sound of the Parvati river merges with chants and prayers, and visitors experience both devotion and hospitality. Whether you come seeking blessings, cultural insight, or simply the warmth of the langar, Manikaran leaves you with a sense of unity, reminding us that faith, nature, and community can coexist beautifully in the Himalayas.